Don't use 6-inch landscape staples for your soft, sandy soil. They easily pull out of the ground with the slightest wind. Use Sandbaggy 12-inch staples instead. They are made of tough, low-carbon 8-gauge steel and are 6 inches longer than our competitors' staples, which helps drive through sandy soil. The steel is also galvanized so it does not rust as quickly. The sharp chisel points help drive the staple into the ground with minimal effort. They're great for many applications, including installing all kinds of landscape fabrics, erosion control matting, bird netting, artificial turf, drip irrigation, fencing, and holding down tents. These staples can secure PVC pipes and drip tubing up to 1 inch in diameter. We recommend separating each staple 2 to 4 feet and using a rubber mallet for easy installation. Save time and effort with Sandbaggy staples. We carry a full line of staples from 6-inch to 12 inches long for soft and hard soils and keep millions of units in stock at all times. That's why we're the #1 best-selling landscape staples brand on the internet. Sandbaggy is an American company based in California that is trusted by government agencies, farmers, landscapers, and homeowners across this great country.